Amsterdam, the canals, the history, and you're still on a group tour bus. Overpriced walking tours. A guide rushing you past the Anne Frank House, the Rijksmuseum, Van Gogh Museum, barely stopping to breathe. Uvamai's Amsterdam self-guided audio tour gives you 21 iconic attractions. The Anne Frank House, the Rijksmuseum, the Van Gogh Museum, the Royal Palace, the canals. With a professional audio guide and an interactive map, all delivered to your inbox for just $6. Start anywhere. Stop anywhere. This is your Amsterdam. Stand outside the Anne Frank House and hear stories that will stay with you forever. Walk into the Rijksmuseum's golden age. Lose yourself in Van Gogh's colors. Cross Dam Square, the beating heart of the city. Discover Beginhof, Amsterdam's medieval secret courtyard. 21 stops. Your pace? Zero rushing. More than 13,000 explorers across 136 cities have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to travel deeper, not faster. $6. 21 Amsterdam landmarks. Your pace. Your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.